So yes guys, like I've showed you before, we bought this palette. This one is the tribe and culture palette from Zikel. I received it today. Open it. It's really nice, really nice, but boom, this is what I have now. So we're trying to fix it. We are trying to fix it. Okay, so my friend is gonna help me fix this. So what she's doing, she's put like some kitchen rolls there, and we are now using the rubbing alcohol. I'm not quite sure how she wants to do that, but hey, just go with the flow. Okay, so apparently she's going to, oh Lord,
get messy before it gets okay.
so now we're making sure that we're pressing everything down.
It's not smooth, but
it's not smooth, but at least it's all together.
So it doesn't move.
No, what's happening? Okay, so now we're doing the other one. So now when I'm going to apply it on my client's face, what's going to happen? Is it going to sting them?
No, it's not, because the alcohol will evaporate.
Okay.
The whole point of the alcohol is to just hold it together.
Really?
If it was a large powder pack, we could smooth it, you know, like just like you're spreading butter.
Yeah.
But this is small and I don't want to take the case out. But at least we have it all together. I'll make it as smooth as I can. This looks a lot smoother than the first one.
Yeah, I'm not even bothered like the way it looks like. It should just, you know.
And then we take up as much alcohol as we can out of it.
I'm pressing it down.
There you go. And then we leave it out to dry a bit.
Yeah.
So we'll just tidy up the edges a bit. So it's all pressed down. That's me shaking it.
Oh, please don't shake it.
No, it's not going to fall off.
My heart is shaking too.
Done.